Hey, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Culinary Adventures. Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect mayonnaise at home. Yes, you heard that right. Homemade mayonnaise. Yep, you heard it right. No more relying on store-bought jars with questionable ingredients and preservatives. No more store-bought jars with questionable ingredients. We're going to make it fresh, and trust me, it's going to be a game changer. Let's dive right in. Roll up those sleeves and get ready to create something amazing. First things first, you need just a few simple ingredients. You might already have them in your kitchen. You'll need 1 egg yolk, which is the base of our mayonnaise, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, which adds a nice tangy flavor and helps with the emulsification process, a tablespoon of white wine vinegar or lemon juice, a pinch of salt, both of which will enhance the flavor and help preserve the mayonnaise, and about a cup of neutral oil like canola or sunflower oil. This is what will give our mayonnaise its creamy texture. Got it? Awesome. These simple ingredients will come together to create something truly special. Now let's get started. The process is straightforward but requires a bit of patience. Begin by placing the egg yolk in a bowl. This is the foundation of our mayonnaise. Pro tip, make sure your egg yolk is at room temperature. This helps everything emulsify better and ensures a smoother texture. It helps everything emulsify better. Trust me, this small step makes a big difference. Next, add in your Dijon mustard and white wine vinegar or lemon juice. These ingredients will start to build the flavor profile. Whisk these together until they're well combined. You want a smooth, uniform mixture before adding the oil. You'll see it start to thicken a bit. This is a good sign that the ingredients are coming together nicely. That's what you want, a nice thick base to start with. Now comes the fun part. This is where the magic happens. Gradually, and I mean gradually, start to add your oil. This step is crucial for the emulsification process. I like to add it in a very slow, steady stream while whisking continuously. This ensures that the oil is properly incorporated. This is where patience pays off. Take your time and don't rush this step. If you add the oil too quickly, your mayonnaise might split, and nobody wants that. Nobody wants that. So take it slow and steady. As you whisk and add the oil, you'll notice the mixture beginning to thicken and come together. This is the emulsification process in action. If you're using an electric whisk or a blender, this process will be quicker, but be careful not to overdo it. But if you're doing it by hand like me, it's a bit of an arm workout. But totally worth it for that perfect texture. Once all the oil is incorporated, give it a taste. This is your chance to adjust the seasoning. Add a pinch of salt and adjust the acidity if needed. You want to balance the flavors perfectly, maybe a bit more lemon juice or vinegar. Taste and adjust until it's just right. You want it to be balanced and creamy, the perfect consistency for spreading or dipping, and there you have it, your very own homemade mayonnaise. Homemade mayonnaise that's smooth, rich, and absolutely delicious. You'll be amazed at the difference in taste. It's perfect for sandwiches, salads, or even as a dip. The possibilities are endless. Trust me, once you try this, you'll never go back to the store-bought stuff. It's that good. Before you go, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Your support means a lot, and share it with your fellow food enthusiasts. Spread the love for homemade goodness. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. See you next time with another delicious recipe.